Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for many hours using an easy method. First, divide your study time into focus segments, like 45 minutes of work followed by a 15-minute break. This structured approach prevents burnout and keeps your mind fresh. Remember to set specific, achievable goals for each segment to maintain focus and track your progress effectively. This simple technique helps you sustain concentration over extended periods. To maximize your study time, implement a structured time management technique. For example, try working intensely for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times. After completing 4 such cycles, reward yourself with a longer break, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes. This pattern helps maintain high productivity and prevents mental fatigue, making long study sessions much more manageable and effective. Creating an optimal study environment is crucial for extended focus. Make sure your workspace is quiet and free from potential distractions like your phone or social media. Before you begin, gather all your books, notes, and supplies so you don't interrupt your flow. Also, keep a water bottle and some healthy snacks, like fruit or nuts, within reach to maintain your energy levels throughout your study period. Maintaining a positive mindset and prioritizing self-care are essential for long study hours. Incorporate short mindfulness exercises during your breaks to clear your head and refocus. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as this significantly impacts your ability to learn and retain information. Finally, acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small, to keep your motivation high.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.